Hmm.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Prince Singh Bist, and I would be acting as a doctor, and my friend Ashutosh Singh Bistin will be acting as a patient. And here we start.
May I come in, doctor?
Yes, please, you may come in. Please have a seat. Make yourself comfortable.
Okay, sir. My name is Ashutosh Singh Bisen. I live in Khidirpur.
hmm hmm So, Ashutosh, my name is Prince Singh Bist, and I am a general practitioner, and I would be examining your case. So, please tell your what is your age?
Sir, I am 20 years old.
Okay, Ashutosh, I would suggest to maintain a certain distance, as we know that Corona is a very active at its peak these days. So it would be very great if we maintain a certain distance among us, and I can examine from a further distance as well. All right. So please, what tell your problem? What are problem are you facing?
Sir, I am having fever and chills from last 3 days.
Mhm. Okay, Ashutosh, I can observe that there are yellowing of your skin as well. Please, can you brief what else are you facing? What else problem are you facing?
Sir, I am having abdominal pain too.
Okay, on what region of abdomen are you feeling pain?
Sir, it is on the right upper corner.
Okay, and anything else? What kind of urine color are you excreting?
Sir, it is dark yellow color.
All right. I've almost noted down all the information needed. Would you like to tell us about what kind of stool or poop are you excreting? Is it liquid or it is tight or what kind of?
Sir, my stool is going through with tight and I didn't observe the color of it.
Mm. All right. Now what I would examine further. Please open your mouth and extend your tongue forward. All right. Please open your eyes and extend it bit. All right. Please show me your nails. Okay. Look, now I have observed very closely your case. Now I think this might be a case of a jaundice. So I would like you to take a further bilirubin blood test. This is for the confirmation of the disease before coming to any conclusion. Okay. So now we have his test results, and he has been positive for the disease of jaundice. Now, Ashutosh, jaundice is just a mild disease. This is most commonly seen in infants, but it may be possible that it is caused in any age group, and this is caused due to excessive presence of bilirubin and biliverdin. These are bile pigments that are found in liver, and these pigments excessive presence of these pigments may cause the yellowing of skin and eyes, as I can see in your case as well. So there is nothing to worry about. This is just a mild disease caused just due to increase of pigments. So this is just this there is nothing to worry about. You will have to just maintain your diet and few other things I would like to tell. And now I would be prescribing you medicine. So what we have liquid medicine and tablet medicine as well. Which would you prefer to like?
Sir, I am comfortable with the tablet medicine, sir.
All right. So, Asutosh, I am prescribing you a tablet medicine for 1 week, in which I am marking with two circles. The first circle means you have to take medicine at the morning, and the second one indicates that you have to take medicine after the dinner. All right. So, these are the medicine prescription for 1 week. So, and they have some few side effects as well. Like you will feel like excessive sleeping. You will fall asleep very excessively. So there is nothing to worry about. These are not mainly side effects, but these are caused due to heavy doses of medicine. Like in your case, you don't have initial stages of jaundice. These are you have you arrived bit late to me, so it has gone bit too far. So you will have to take high doses, and it these doses may cause excessive sleeping. So there is nothing to worry about. So now I'm prescribing you medicine for 1 week. After 1 week, you will have to come once again so that I can examine your case. If there will be positive effects of this medicine, we will continue with these prescriptions only. But if there are negative things, that negative behavior of your body, we will have to carry out. We will have to admit you to the hospital, and we will have to try out in vivo methods as well. We will have to operate and extract out all the extra juices that is produced by our body. All right. Is there anything would you like to tell?
Sir, I want to ask that I am a job person, so I have to continue it, and I am a too much foodie person. So, what is all about my food? How type of food I have to take in, and how much rest or I have to I can continue my job, sir.
All right. As I have already told you, this is a stomach related disease, so you have to be very careful about your diet. You will have to not take spicy food. You will have to take just mild taste food that must not be too salty. And you will have to take proper rest as well, which is most important. And please take care of your diet as well.
Okay, sir.
Yes, that's it. Thank you. And if you feel any problem further, you can visit again anytime. All right.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.